Hi everybody, from YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your original or second generation AirPods from Apple. So the first step obviously is very easy. You have to ensure that both AirPods are in the charging case and that both the earbuds and the case have charge. The second step will be locate the small button on the back of the case near the bottom. It's flush with the case and the same color as it, so you might need to feel about for it. The third step will be open the charging case lid and then press and hold with the charging case lid the button that is on the back for at least 15 seconds. The case internal light between the AirPods will flash light and then amber, indicating the AirPods have reset. So if you have a wireless charging case, the light is located on the front of the case. So now your AirPods first or second generation are ready to pair it up with your new Apple device, and then it's all fine.